Well, that's right, Tim. The Iowa Department of Natural Resources presented new deer hunting regulations for western Iowa through a series of presentations. The goal is to provide hunters the opportunity to give feedback on the proposed regulations. The Iowa DNR says the vast majority of hunters are supporting the proposed regulations as they see less deer when hunting. The DNR added that there are multiple reasons for the loss of deer population in western Iowa.
We've certainly lost a lot of habitat in the last 20 years, mostly in the form of grasslands and timber being lost. We also have had some sustained disease outbreaks. EHD and blue tongue have certainly had their bad years here, and the deer population has seen the effects. And then we've also had historically a lot of doe harvest in the past that may not have ended up being sustainable.
And the DNR said because of the reduced population, they need to reduce doe harvest in some way, and the regulations they believe are the most efficient way.
So we're looking at proposing changes to the general unisex tag as such, and maybe moving more towards a buck-only category of tag, which has so far been very popular with folks.
And that next meeting will take place tomorrow in Sioux Center at the Sandy Hollow Lodge at 6:30 p.m.
What kind of crowd was there tonight from your video? It looked like there were plenty of people there.
Yeah. The room was packed full of people, and everyone was very interested in the situation.
All right, Avi, thanks for that.